Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm using this hair wax. It says Mofage, I don't know, but that's not the company where I got it from. I will link the company down below. And I'm just parting my hair because I wanted kind of a somewhat side part, but it doesn't matter if it's a perfect part because my hair is so thick, it probably won't even be that noticeable, honestly. And I'm just gonna go ahead and section off my hair and work section by section when applying this wax. Now this wax is messy. I was not using gloves because I did see the girls who actually used this product weren't using gloves, and they did say it was easy to rinse out because it's a wax and not a dye. But keep in mind to make sure you have on something that you don't mind, as like if you were dyeing your hair, don't mind, you know, getting a little wax or dye onto your clothes. And I put a generous amount on my hair, and I still had a lot left to do for a second time. So if your hair is as thick as mine, you'll still have enough to do use this wax at least twice. And I just went ahead and 2-strand twisted my hair and just repeated those same steps. Just basically section off some hair, apply the wax, and 2-strand twist. Blow drying my hair for 15 minutes on high heat. It was taking actually a while for it to dry. I was planning on going somewhere, but it ended up not working out anyway. But I started just blow drying it for 15 minutes, and then after I blow dried it the first time, I decided to go ahead and take the twist down, not all the way down, but the two pieces apart, so I can get like kind of make it more dry, because I felt like it was not drying the way I wanted to, or it wasn't going as fast as I wanted to, because I was planning on going somewhere. So I just took those down, and then I just blow dried again for like another 10 minutes. My hair still was not dry enough, so I did take it down a little more so the heat can really get to the hair, well, get to the wax for it to dry. So this is how it basically came out. So I say my drying time, it took about like 30 minutes, a little over 30 minutes. Just be mindful, like if it's not fully dry, it will stain your clothes. I did have some wax and stuff on my neck and my forehead and stuff. I just took a baby wipe and wiped that off, or get a wet towel and wipe it off. When I laid down, my hair still wasn't 100% dry, so it did kind of stain my pillow. So you might want to make sure you lay on a dark colored pillow or a special pillow, or lay a towel down, whatever you want to do, or wear a bonnet. But will I recommend this wax? Yes, I will. It was only $6, and it was a temporary color. Oh my gosh, a temporary color, and I had it in for about a week, and I do love it.